आता पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो।
पणजे महापालिकेन आता ई-गव्हर्नन्स सुरू केला। टाटा कन्सल्टन्सीच्या आदारान हो प्रकल्प चालीक लायला। बुधवारा ई-गव्हर्नन्सचे उक्तावण करताना महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तात आणि टाटा कन्सल्टन्सीचे अधिकारी आशिल्ले। आता पालिकेचे वेगवेगळे दाखले दिवपाच्यो, टॅक्स भरपाच्यो सेवा ऑनलायन चलतल्यो।
ई-गव्हर्नन्स प्रोजेक्ट which was pending for last couple of years. This e-governance project is the only one in whole of Goa. E-governance, the moment it starts, it's going to be paperless CCP. If you are in the United States, if you are in Dubai, if you are in any Gulf countries or European countries, you want to pay a house tax, you want your birth certificate, you want your character certificate, whatever certificate you want, or you want to know the position of your file, everything at the click of the button you will come to know. You make the payment, you will get your certificates.
फायर ब्रिगेडीन मंगळारा गोवा रेजिंग डे मनयलो। कार्यावळीत फायर अँड एमर्जन्सी खात्यातल्या जवानांच्या हुशार भुरग्यांक स्कॉलरशिपी दिल्यो। लुसोफोनियाच्या निमतान वास्कोचो टिळक स्टेडियम बऱ्यापैकी झाला। वास्कोकारांक एक बरो स्टेडियम मेळ्ळा। दाबोळेचो आमदार माविन म्हणटा सरकारान पैसे मोडून केले ती गजाल बरी, मात लुसोफोनिया गेम्सा उपरांत ते स्टेडियमाचो लोकांक उपेग जावंक जाय।
Today we have brand new stadiums being built in the name of Lusophonia. Hearty congratulations to the organizing committee chairman, the Honorable Chief Minister, for doing such a wonderful job. The most important thing is these facilities should not be white elephants in the future. We should use them to train our...
Bureau Report, Prudent.
टेबल टेनिसा उपरांत गोंय भारत पंगडान व्हॉलीबॉलांतूय 2 भांगरा पदकां जिखून आपल्या पदकांचो आंकडो 4 भांगरा पदकांचेर पावयलो। मंगळारा व्हॉलीबॉल मॅचीन चलयांनी मोझांबीक जाल्यार चल्यांनी माकावक सरळ सेटांनी मारले।
I would also like to thank God for helping us to play well, because all the players really played well. Say the blocking line, say the attacking or the defense, they really did a good job.
The beach volleyball event under Lusophonia, which has just come in. We have already got offers to have world challengers from November onwards every year in Goa. So this is kind of a very great kind of a signal which shows that Goa is coming in the forefront.
I am very satisfied. You are organizing very well. The training venues is very well. I satisfy the Sri Lankan teams.
What about the quality of sand?
Sand is good. The main court is good. Yesterday I played the main court at trial. Very good.
लुझोफोनिया गेम्सान बीच व्हॉलीबॉलाक सुरवात जाल्या. श्रीलंकेच्या चले आनी चलयांच्या टीमीन बऱ्यापैकी सुरवात केली. पहिल्या मॅचीन चल्यांनी 6 टॉम आनी चलयांनी मोझांबिकाक मारले. मिरामार दर्यावेळेर ही सर्त चलता.
Change in service. Sri Lanka. Jacques. Thirteen, 11. Twenty-one, 19.
इतल्यान खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.